What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So today we're going to be discovering an amazing tool that does a lot of customization on our Windows PC. And so if you can check out my desktop right now, you're going to notice that my taskbar down below has a very beautiful customization. There's no background that cuts through all of it, and it's just showing me the icons of my apps that are currently working. And so to have a lot of customization on your Windows PC, today we're going to discover an amazing tool which allows you to do just that. So today we're discovering Windhawk. And so you can find it at windhawk.com. And this is a tool that is going to allow you to do amazing things. Actually, you can find it at windhawk.net instead. And so Windhawk is basically a tool that comes in with mods, right? Modifications that you can bring onto your PC. And there are a lot of them. For example, you can customize what your middle click does. You can customize your Windows 11 start menu styler. You can customize the sleek window arrangement. So you can add a whole bunch of customizations to your Windows PC. So it's not just the aesthetics, but equally the functionalities. And so you can go ahead and head on to windhawk.net and download the software very easily. Then you can browse on the tool directly on the tool itself, or you can equally browse from their website to see the different modes. So this is a tool right here on my computer, but you can equally use their website as well. And so it's easy for you to go through all of the tools. You just come in here to explore and you can view the details of what you're trying to use. So for example, I went with the Windows 11 taskbar styler. And when you click on details, you're going to see here the different styles you can go with. So here, for example, you have some beautiful styles that come with so many customization options and so on and so forth. So when you see the one that you like, all you need to do is head over to settings and select the style you like to go with, right? So you just changed it here. You click on here and you click on save, and you can see how instantly it gets to change your taskbar down below. So there are so many of them out there that you can choose from. If you want to see what they look like, you can see those here and just get the name from here. For example, here translucent, dark light, and so on and so forth. So you can just go with that and whatever really suits you best. So I prefer this version of it. Find it very simple, minimalist, and it's perfect for me. And so you have other options, other modifications as well, and you can easily see what they look like. For example, the Windows 11 Notification Center, you can customize what it's going to look like. For example, you see here, you can have it look like this. You see the images of the different things that are going to appear here. So, for example, here, we can click on the image to make it bigger. It'll take us to the repository with the bigger images as well. You can have your notification center look instead something like this, much more beautiful. And so you have a whole bunch of modifications that you can bring to your Windows system, and it is very easy. I really like how simple it is to do. So you just install Windhawk, you select get the mod, for example. If you come here to details, you select install. That's all you need to do. And then you just go to save settings. For some, you have to save the settings. For others, it just works instantly. And so there are a whole bunch of them, as you can see. And you can see just how many downloads people have for each of these. So 20,000 downloads and so on and so forth. So I really like a lot of the animations that are present on here. And one good thing about this tool as well that I've noticed is that it doesn't flicker, right? The animation don't work sometime and other times they don't work. They work perfectly. Whether you restart your machine or not, it works instantly and it's awesome. So you should definitely check it out. For example, if you want to bring the dynamic island into your computer, you have this modification here that you can easily do that and you can see what it looks like. So let's go ahead and install this so that you get a sense of what it's like. So you go ahead, you click accept and install, and you can see instantly on my computer I have a dynamic island. So you can see it works perfectly and it's amazing. If you want to customize the settings, all you need to do is come onto settings here and customize the settings very easily. So I really like this tool. It's amazing in terms of customization and it does a very, very good job. So let's go ahead and look for maybe another dynamic island. So you see, for example, dynamic island for Windows, install media controls, dynamic taskbar transparency, and so on and so forth. So also keep in mind that these are tools that are developed by individuals, right, across the world. So this is not just one tool that is developed by one company, but the modifications on here, everybody can contribute to them and add modifications as well here. So it's amazing what it's able to do. So definitely check out this tool and really customize your PC like you see fit, and it's going to be amazing. Another mode I just want to show you before we leave, it's an animation. Um, Sleek taskbar auto hide speed. Is this Mac OS style animation, for example? Yes, this is the tool I wanted to show you. You can animate the closing or the minimizing of your windows exactly like it is on Mac OS, for example. So currently, if I want to minimize the window, this is how it goes. It just goes like it just did. But if I want to have this custom animation when Windows minimize, like we see on Mac OS, I can go ahead and install it, and it's going to do just that, as you can see. It reduces like Mac OS does. So this is an amazing tool that I just discovered recently, and it has been doing a really, really great job. So definitely check it out. Let me know what you think about it. If it is good, if it's perfect, or if you like to see some additional features. Like I said, you can find it at windhawk.net, and it does an amazing job. So definitely check it out. Let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.